Climate change is now one of the biggest problems facing humanity. It is largely triggered by human activities. Air and ocean temperatures have risen significantly in recent times, causing ice and snow to melt and sea levels to rise. Over the past few years, global temperatures have consistently been among the warmest on record. In 2020, the Earth's surface temperature was about 0.98 degrees Celsius warmer than the 20th century average. The global anomaly in surface temperatures could cause sea levels to rise, Arctic ice loss, and an increasing number of weather-related disasters, including storms, floods, and droughts. The frequency of weather-related disasters has increased by 46% from 2007 to 2016 compared to the 1990s due to climate change. In 2013, 87% of the world's population lived in areas that exceed the World Health Organization's air quality guidelines. Global climate change is already having an impact on the environment. Glaciers have shrunk, ice in rivers and lakes is breaking up faster, the range of plants and animals has shifted, and trees are flowering earlier. Effects that scientists in the past predicted would be the result of global climate change, including loss of sea ice, accelerated sea level rise, and longer, more intense heat waves. The impacts of global climate change include more frequent forest fires, longer periods of droughts in some regions, and an increase in the number, duration, and intensity of tropical storms, which will increase more in the future. We can all make a significant contribution to the fight against climate change, even in small steps. By doing so, we can motivate our friends and acquaintances to do the same, and many small individual steps can add to a big impact. Eat locally produced food, do not overheat the house, use public transport, where possible use a bicycle or walk, use energy efficient electronics, and use renewable energy sources. Climate change is accelerating all around us, so it's good to know what we can do to reduce it. If we don't take the right steps now, it will become more difficult and cause more problems over time. So it is good to be aware of the steps that we can take to reduce the scale of climate change. Find out what recent climate changes have occurred in your immediate area. Look online to find out what you can do to reduce environmental change in addition to what is described here. You can also bring it to the attention of your friends and ask them to talk to their friends, because the advice of a friend is worth more than what you see or hear in the media. Make people you know aware of the problem by setting a credible example.